Here at PVF Football Academy and PVF Kongenjanzan Football Club, within the physical performance department, our mission is to inspire the development of players with a high level of physical durability and a high level of physical capability to perform at the elite level of the game. To achieve this mission, we operate on a set of key values: collaboration, so working as part of a multidisciplinary team; good communication with coaches, players and the rest of the support staff; always trying to innovate and use new methods of player development; and always trying to operate with a positive coach behaviour. On a day-to-day basis, we try to achieve our mission through 4 key technical projects. These are dynamic periodisation or integrated training, training solutions, physical capability profile and growth and maturation. We will explain these projects in more detail within this video.
This is a framework for coaches and physical performance coaches to design and deliver sessions to prepare players to meet and exceed the physical demands of our game, whilst also challenging them from a technical, tactical and decision-making perspective. Dynamic periodisation is based on 3 key principles. Specificity. Everything we do must relate back to the game. Training sessions designed to stretch players in the context of how we play, challenging them from a physical perspective, so training at and above game pace intensity; from a technical perspective, executing core skills in the 4 moments of the game under pressure of time and space; tactical perspective, quick and accurate decision making in the context of our game model; and from a mental perspective, developing resilience, discipline, focus and motivation. Progressive overload. Progressive increases in volume and intensity through the development pathway, building the capacity to repeat the high intensity demands of modern elite senior football. Variability. Within each training cycle, we plan effectively to expose the players to a wide variety of physical challenges within the integrated model to ensure we continually develop all-around physical qualities, using large-sided, medium-sided and small-sided games. The principle of variability also extends to providing variable training loads to ensure we respect the process of adaptation and prevent training monotony, developing fitness and also freshness in the players. At the heart of dynamic periodisation is the collaboration between coach and physical coach, which we believe is a key dynamic in any multidisciplinary team. This is achieved through a plan-do review process, where physical coaches actively assist the coaches in the planning process, focusing on the integration of physical performance factors. They then assist in the execution of a high-level training session, and finally provide impactful and meaningful feedback to coaches on a session-by-session basis. To optimally drive the player's physicality, it is crucial to assess and identify strength and weakness in the individual profile. Utilising valid and reliable testing battery with cutting-edge technologies, we can assess the player's strength, speed and endurance abilities that underpin their football performance. Speed. The 10 metre, 30 metre and 505 tests are used to assess the player's acceleration over short distance, top speed over longer distance, and their ability to change direction quickly and accurately. Strength. The counter movement jump test assesses the player's capability to generate quick and explosive power in the lower body. The reactive strength index test measures the player's leg stiffness qualities and ability to react and produce force quickly off the ground. This is important in many high-intensity football actions such as sprinting and change of direction. Assessing these qualities can help us individualise programming to develop the specific strength, power and speed qualities required for performance. Endurance. The Yo-Yo Intermittent Recovery Test Level 2 assesses the player's ability to sustain and repeat high-intensity efforts, which is crucial in the modern elite game. The 1 kilometre time trial is a time-efficient way of assessing the player's maximal aerobic speed. This physical quality is important in terms of the ability to repeat high-intensity actions and recover quickly within and between training sessions and games. The 1K time trial complements the yo-yo intermittent recovery test level 2, which has a larger repeated speed or anaerobic component. Maximal aerobic speed gives us a useful benchmark of endurance capability as well as a usable metric for individual conditioning sessions. Through regular assessment, we aim to give quality feedback to coaches and players using visual and impactful reports and profiling cards that help the coaching staff to understand what the players are capable of coping with and to form a basis for individualised training programs to drive physical capability and durability. The Training Solutions project is about complementing our integrated training approach to ensure appropriate training strategies on the pitch and in the gym to maximise physical capability and physical durability in PVF players. The starting point for Training Solutions is to use the individual player profiling to prioritise key areas of development for each player. For example, some players will have highly developed speed qualities but will need to further develop strength and endurance, while some players will have highly developed endurance qualities but will need to further develop their speed and strength qualities for performance. In addition, Training Solutions provides a framework for more general physical preparation work to ensure training time is maximised to expose players to appropriate doses of speed, endurance and strength training. We categorise these training solutions within a quicker, fitter, stronger framework. Quicker. Speed is obviously a key determinant of performance in the modern game. High capability to close space and create space quickly is a fundamental part of each moment of the game. We need to develop the physical and technical factors required to maximise speed qualities. Use a combination of gym-based and field-based training solutions to achieve this. Fitter. The ability to repeat high-intensity actions and recover quickly is fundamental to successful performance and the ability to carry out the game plan for the whole duration of the game. Much of the work we do in this area is focused utilising dynamic periodisation to develop our endurance qualities, as discussed earlier. However, at certain times there may be a need to supplement these integrated sessions for more isolated endurance work for individuals or the team. Examples could include post-match conditioning work to provide an effective dose of peak game intensity for players lacking game time. Stronger. Strength is a key physical quality that underpins many of the other physical qualities we want to see in the player's performance on the pitch. For example, in order to maximise speed qualities, the neuromuscular system must have the ability to produce and control high amounts of force. Within Training Solutions, we look to develop general strength for 1v1 duels and general robustness, stopping strength, starting strength, sprinting strength, and reactive strength. All the projects have a long-term athletic development focus with age and maturity specific considerations to optimise the physical development journey of each player. This consists of an embedded movement curriculum both on and off the pitch to develop action capabilities of young players appropriate to stage of physical development, and the provision of a multi-sport programme to develop general athletic skill competencies. We track height and weight on a 6 to 8 week basis and collaborate with the MDT on appropriate training modifications to optimise individual training load during periods of rapid growth.